Okay, so welcome to lesson one. Now, in this lesson, we will be covering what exactly is business analysis. So this is a topic that is being discussed a lot. There are lots of opportunities within this space. Every organization requires a business analyst and carries out business analysis activities, but we will be formally defining what business analysis means. So what is business analysis? Business analysis is the practice of enabling change in an organizational context by defining the needs and recommending solutions that deliver value to stakeholders. So in a nutshell, business analysis helps an organization to understand what needs they have. It may be within a particular department, it might be within a particular sector of the business. It might be with regards to a particular tool that exists within the organization. So the function of business analysis looks at what are the needs? What do we need? How do we plug this gap? This requires a lot of interaction with different stakeholders to understand what their needs are and also to work with the development team, so the IT team, to come up with and recommend solutions to meet the needs of the business. So that's what business analysis is. Anybody performing this role is known as a business analyst. One thing you'll notice is in different organizations, you may not necessarily have the person performing this role being called a business analyst. You can have the person being called another name or another role being used to describe the person that performs this function. Make no mistake about it, it is still business analysis. So even if the person is called a systems analyst or a business systems analyst, or even in some organizations, you may have a project manager actually performing this task. That doesn't change the fact that what they are doing is business analysis. So in the next lesson, we will be looking at a brief history of business analysis. So how did this concept or area of business analysis come about? How did this domain evolve? So stay tuned for lesson 2.